Hello, it's Nicko with Food Cravings, and today we're making Romanian style eggplant salad. And I'm pretty sure regionally there are many different variations to this salad. However, today I'm going to show you my take on it. And we're going to start with 2 eggplants, preferably male. And if you followed the baba ganoush recipe, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't remember, I suggest you watch the video on how to make baba ganoush. Here we're going to go ahead and place them on a slotted grill guard so that we can char the skin really nicely to give it that roasted undertone. Here you can see it's already started charring. I flipped them over, and we'll want to leave this to broil until nice and toasty. Here I've chopped some green peppers. To that we're going to add sliced red onion. I went with a medium thickness. Finally we're going to go with some quartered red tomatoes, and I went with fork size here. Once our eggplant is finally broiled, we're going to go ahead and place that into a cold water bath so that the skin becomes easier to peel, much like with the baba ganoush recipe. Here I've begun peeling the eggplant skin, and you'll notice that it automatically just comes off the eggplant. Due to the eggplants puffing up while broiling, the skin charring, leaving the crust, that makes it easier to peel. As I stripped away some of the layers of skin, you could see the eggplant underneath is nicely golden charred. Here I'm just finishing up the peeling. You'll want to work fast, peeling quickly while the skin is still warm. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and slice the eggplant on a bias. After slicing the eggplant, as I'm doing here, we'll go ahead and dump that into a bowl, then combine the rest of the raw vegetables to it. And here's a pro tip: the little bits of char that you'll see mixed in with the eggplant, you'll want to leave that in. It'll give it a more smoky flavor. Once we've transferred the raw vegetables to the eggplant, we'll go ahead and hit that with some parsley. And over that we'll drizzle some red wine vinegar, along with some vegetable oil. To that we'll add some salt, some black pepper, some paprika. Then, as usual, we'll make it rain with some lemon juice. Then we'll add a touch of sugar along with some water to balance the acidity of it. And it's best to leave this overnight or for at least 4 hours for all the flavors to come together. Before popping it in the fridge, we'll give it a quick mix to incorporate all the flavors along with the vinegar and oil. And I've set mine aside for about 2 hours. Everything came in nicely. It was very good. I hope you've enjoyed our recipe for Romanian style eggplant salad. This is a great addition to any meal, especially in the summertime. For more info and ingredient amounts, please visit www.chefnicko.blogspot.com, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you and enjoy.